This is a review of the SHARKK Bluetooth 4.0 Boombox speaker. It's a portable speaker system. Inside the box, you'll find an instruction manual, an AC wall charger, an auxiliary cable that's 32 inches long. This is the charging cable for the speaker, which contains a lithium battery that has a powerful 2,500 milliampere hour capacity. Then also you have the speaker itself, which is beautifully designed. I really like it. And the speaker weighs in at 1 pound, 8 1/8 ounces. It's beautifully designed. I love the black grille. It's got two powerful speakers inside of it, each one at 5 watts. On top here you have the controls for the sound. You have the mode button, which allows you to switch between Bluetooth or to switch to auxiliary. Here you have the forward and back skip buttons. Here you have the play pause button, the minus volume, the plus volume, and the phone answering system. In the corner you have a very small hole. That's a microphone hole, so you can make phone calls that will pick up your voice and do hands-free calling. In addition, you have a power indicator here on the side. At the bottom here you see a small micro USB port. That's for charging. Next to that is the auxiliary plug. Next to that's a headphone jack. And here at the very top you have an off-on button. See the AC wall charger? It's rated at 100 to 240 volts AC and 50 to 60 hertz. It has an output of 5 volts DC at 1,500 milliamps. It also features retractable AC wall plugs, so it's easy to pack and easy to take with you when you travel. First thing you want to do when you get this battery is charge it, and the instructions say to charge it for a minimum of 2 hours with the AC wall charger. When it's charging, the LED on the top here will be red, and when the speaker is fully charged, the LED goes out. Pair this device up with a smartphone. The first thing you want to do is turn it on, and you want to press this on button for 3 seconds until the LED flashes green.
Power on.
And you can hear that the speaker hit a really strong bass tone. I mean, it was loud, and it spoke to me and said power on. Now I want to set it up to pair. I'm going to hit my settings here and make sure my Bluetooth is turned on, and it is. You can see here the things that are connected to it. I'm going to come over here and hit the play pause button for 3 seconds.
Pairing.
And it tells me that it's pairing. It immediately popped up. I'm going to touch it here. You can see the dial spinning.
Connecting.
And now it tells me it's connecting. I love these speakers that have these voice commands because it makes it so easy when you know what's going on. Let me see what happens when you're paired and the power's on. I'm now going to turn it off.
Connection failed.
Now I'm going to turn it back on.
Power on. Connecting.
I said, I love Bluetooth speakers that talk to you. It makes it so easy to use. A few seconds of music here to play some rock and roll. It really sounds great. But I also want you to notice that I'm going to play later on a piece from the Star Spangled Banner, and I'm going to show you that the volume controls are interactive. You do have a volume control here that's plus and minus, but that only works within the range that you have this set for. If you have the volume of your phone turned all the way down, you have 0 output from here. That means you have 0 signal in. So if you turn the volume all the way up here, now you can use the plus and minus volume buttons here to set the volume where you want. I'm going to play a few seconds of a song and show you how it sounds with the volumes turned all the way up. When I was playing that song and the bass kicked in, the speaker started moving across the table. It has such a strong volume and excellent bass. Now I'm going to play a little bit of a classical piece for you, just to see how you feel about the sound of the quality of the music coming out of here. I'm now going to play a bit of the Star Spangled Banner for you, and it's going to show you how the interaction of the volume of the smart device and the speaker works. Here we go. Here you can see I can turn the volume down all the way down to mute, and I have no output. If I connected this way and played with the speaker and it wouldn't work, I might think the speaker was broken, but it's just the volume's turned down. You can turn it back up. Okay, I've tested over 100 Bluetooth speakers, and this speaker here is one of the best that I've tested. It has great volume, beautiful bass, and excellent treble. It's crystal clear. I'm really shocked at the quality of the speaker and the fact that it sells for under $40. This compares to a quality of speaker that I've looked at and tested that's well over $100, some of them close to $200. Great capability. You can make and receive phone calls, do voice commands, listen to your music, listen to your audiobooks. You can play a video on your smart device and have the sound of the movie come over the speaker. It's just excellent. In addition, it has Bluetooth connection, auxiliary input port connection, and it also has near field connection, or NFC. Touch point is around here where this microphone input is. I wanted to point out that the charging cable is a USB cable on one end and a micro USB on the other. I like the fact that it's a flat cable. To me, they tend to get less tangled and twisted. I want to point out that the green LED ring around the on button indicates that the battery is charged and the device is on, and the blue flashing light indicates it's paired with Bluetooth. If you're listening to music and you get a phone call, the speaker will actually play the call sound over the speakers and then start stating the phone number that's calling you. If you press the phone button on the far right hand side, the speaker will then answer the call, and you can speak to your party over the speaker itself using the microphone and the volume coming out of the speaker.
Three, 1, 7, 5. Call answered.
Hello?
Hello, I'm just calling to let you know I'm getting ready to come home.
Okay. I'm testing out a Bluetooth speaker here. How do I sound?
You sound really good.
Yeah, you're crystal clear too. How long until you're home?
About 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay, thanks. We'll see you then. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
As you can see, the speaker stopped playing the music. I took the phone call hands-free. I just simply had to touch the phone button here. Then after I finished my conversation and the party hung up, I went right back to the music where I left off. The speaker is excellent for listening to your music, taking with you outside to the deck or the backyard, or sitting by the pool. It's not waterproof, but it does sort of create a nice environment to be able to play your music at a very loud volume and a very high quality instead of listening to the two small speakers on your phone. Good for listening to your audiobooks, listening to your film tracks when you're watching a movie on your smart device. It just has a lot of applications. As I said, this is an excellent speaker. It's high quality, great sound coming out of it. I really like it. I like the fact that you can take phone calls and it has voice commands. This is an excellent product, and I rated it 5 stars. This review was done by JJ CEO. I'd like to tell you that I received a sample for test and evaluation, and I promise to do a fair and honest review.